coming like a storm. I got my sword and my shield. Victory in my bones. A warrior never kneel. 'Cause I'm a gladiator and a shaker. Headed to the top 'cause I'm a groundbreaker. I'm gonna fight 'cause that's what I'm made for. I'm a gladiator. A gladiator. A gladiator. A gladiator. A gladiator. I'm gonna fight 'cause I'm a gladiator.
Salamat kita karon tungod kay ni ay duha ka binuhat si Mario ug si Raisa Jane nga diin gusto magkahiusa. Dili na sila duha kun dili usa na lang.
When the world gets loud and I lose my way.
Ay, Raisa Jean. Mas komportable ko tawagon ka na. Love. Yes. Salamat kay sa pila na to katuig na nagka-relasyon. Finally, taslo na ta. I hope not. Sinapta na talaga. This is the beginning of our new chapter of our life. Thank you kay ako sa imo napili sa layo ato gap. I love you till love forever.
First na mo nagkaila, 7-Eleven me. Then, senior high school pa ako that time. Then, si Jan nag-work dito. Then, love at first sight, ganun. Salamat ko sa akong partner. Karon na partner na di ay. Thank you kay bisan daghay struggle sa preparation ug sa kanang start pagajud ng pagkuan. Kaya gyapon ni kuan ni give up. Then padajong gyapon mi. Then karon niabot na jud ang time. Thank you sa Ija. Thank you sa akong partner. Attractive yung mata. Charot. Tapos, sweet to caring. I love you and good health.
My reason to fight through the highs, through the tears in the night. I don't need the stars to shine as long as your hands in mine. Forever starts with you and I. You're my partner for life. If the skies fall down and dreams collapse, I'll still be here and I won't look back. We made a vow and I won't let go. This love's the only truth I know. You're my partner for life, my reason to fight through the highs, through the tears in the night. I don't need the stars to shine as long as your hands in mine. Forever starts with you and I. You're my partner for life. Yes, you'll always be my partner for life.